Today, we're giving you a video that awesome comic style effect, complete with halftone dots, bold outlines, and all the comic book vibes. Start by adding your video clip to the timeline. Now, click on the video to select it and head over to the right side panel. Then click on the Effects tab, scroll through or search for comic. Once you see it, just click it. And boom, the comic effect is applied right away. But here's the cool part. You can customize it. You'll see a slider called Halftone Dot Opacity. Drag it left or right to control how visible those little comic style dots are on your video. Lower opacity gives a cleaner look, while higher opacity gives you that full on graphic novel feel. Play around until it looks just the way you want, and that's it. A fun, comic inspired look with just a few clicks. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick Clipchamp tutorials.